Okay, today we're going to talk about RV toilet paper versus house toilet paper. It's been a raging debate for decades, actually. You have the folks that are on the house toilet paper side and they say, hey, I want my comfort, or some say, I want to be cheap, right? I don't want to pay for RV toilet paper. I don't want to have to worry about all that expense. I'm going to go with house toilet paper and keep it more affordable. You have folks on the other side that say, hold on a second, RV toilet paper actually serves a purpose. What is that purpose? The purpose is really simple. It breaks down quick, it dissolves in your tank, and it keeps everything moving easy when you flush your tank, right? This does not break down easy, and let me explain. This toilet paper is produced with the longest fiber possible. It's all weaved together. It also has a very, very strong bonding agent. So when you use a sheet, right, that sheet can absorb a lot of water. That sheet can do a lot of cleaning, and it's going to hang together. You can see it's just really, really durable. Here's the problem though. That sheet doesn't decompose in your tank. It doesn't come apart, right? It doesn't liquefy. It stays a solid. If you pull a long roll off, you're going to have a long roll of toilet paper in there floating around the tank. It covers your sensors. Then you go to read your tank. You just drained your tank. It still says full. It drives you nuts. Why is that happening? Here's one of the big reasons why. If you use RV toilet paper, when you tear a sheet off, it tears apart pretty quick and easy. It has the shortest fiber possible. It also has the weakest bonding agent possible. So it gets destroyed in your tank very, very quickly. Sometimes it falls apart as you're using it. Not a great picture, but it can. So you want to use it quick. So which one do we recommend you use? House toilet paper, maybe you save a little bit of money. RV toilet paper, it's not even close. You definitely want to use the RV toilet paper. It's worth a little bit of extra money for affordable insurance, right? You won't have to have someone come out and unclog your tank. You won't have to have someone come out and try to pump your tank out. We've seen RVs where they literally build a mountain, right? They flush that toilet, it just drops and hits, and they just build a mountain of toilet paper and sewage. It won't go anywhere because it can't decompose in the tank, and eventually they cannot drain their tank. So do yourself a favor, compromise, buy an RV toilet paper, buy a less expensive RV toilet paper if need be, but protect your tank, protect your RV, protect your budget, and you won't have those problems inside your tank. Your sensors will read correctly and you'll just be a lot happier. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube page where you'll see other Versus videos, and call us if you have any questions at 877-877-4494.